technology. Is technology replacing humans? Technology is quickly changing. With its rapid growth, it is changing the way we live and work. One of the many technologies today is being used in healthcare facilities. Diagnostic tools are a great help to the medical industry and are changing our approach to patients' care. Telecommunication technologies also deliver health-related services, helping doctors conference with each other about their patients. Technology saves time and it is beneficial for monitoring patients. It allows patients to transmit data to the facility from their home. People everywhere are becoming more reliant on the internet. Computers are being used by people from different areas to perform their conferences online. Technologies are a good source worldwide. Machines are unique at performing many jobs which humans are getting paid for. Car manufacturing industries use robots to make cars. Robots are also being programmed for the armed forces where digital technologies needs to be faster and accurate. However, one of the major concerns of some people is the effect on employment. Therefore, technology may save time, money, and lives, yet we must be aware and careful of how it may affect our lives. Some people may argue that in a crisis, the human's ability to make rapid decisions for care exceed that of a machine. But machines can do many jobs better than humans. For example, telehealth is beneficial for heart monitoring patients. Robotic devices are being used to control cameras as well as act as arm of a surgeon. Many administrative meetings from different places are conducted through the internet. This also helps many physicians conference with each other about their patients. Some say that technology is fine if it does no harm, but when it takes over and mass guidance, it is a bad technology. Just because technology exists does not mean that everyone is accepting to it. In contrast, man cannot conquer time and space. He can only do so much in a certain amount of time and maintain his well-being. If we use devices, it can shorten the time to accomplish tasks. Technology is a good tool. Many manufacturers and the government officials believe that robots save labor and perform better. Others may say machines malfunction, it costs money. It takes a human brain to fix them. When the rush is on, a live human can make decisions, set priorities, and decide on the spot what needs to be done instantly. Human labor is no longer cheap. Robots are stronger, quicker, and more productive. We need to get more advanced robots to help our industries. Machines are very good at doing tasks which humans are historically paid for to perform. Humans are dangerous to people. If we could replace humans with just as good or better, we have fewer negative effects. We should design machines which implement only what is good for humans and other living things. Technologies can do many great things. Today, many would be lost without them. For example, technologies are good because many people use it to communicate with families and friends anytime, anywhere around the world. Technology delivers health-related services and it saves time and money. Machines such as robots are productive in manufacturing industries. Robots are being programmed for the armed forces to protect us. Technology is a good tool, even though some people's major concern is about how employment is affected by these technologies. The good for which humans obtain outweighs negative effects. It is clear then that we must examine the use of technologies and how it saves time, money, and lives in realization